In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in less than 5 minutes. I'll show you how this scene looks like in the perspective view. I'm using cycles, by the way. The stretching illusion occurred because my camera's focal length is set to 2 mm. I'll show you how this mesh was created. I started from an icosphere. After that we need to add a spherofit. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Before adding the spherofit, please make sure the sphere is selected. Then I added more spires and randomized them like this. Let's bevel the curve. We won't need the sphere anymore. Please use the camera's point of view and use Shift, to navigate in the view to fit the mesh into the view like this. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. After that I have created a plane and added a shiny metallic material. My environment HDRI's strength is set to 3. Here are the material nodes for the curve mesh. Please experiment with the nodes by disconnecting them like this, to learn what they do. I'll show you the material details for the plane mesh. This is just a generic shiny metallic material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.